shutters have become one of the most popular types of window treatments around. They can really help put the finishing touch on your home. Yet for all their obvious appeal, fitting and installing them can be complicated and time consuming. And as for cost, let's just say, they're not exactly cheap. Now, there's a simple and affordable alternative. Introducing EasyAS shutters, the world's first adjustable shutters. Not only are they affordable, but they are simple to install. And just like traditional shutters, they look absolutely fantastic. EasyAS shutters are available in 25 different sizes. So there's a shutter for any window space. You just measure up your windows and select the shutter to match. It's that easy. Each shutter comes in a flat pack with simple to follow instructions. Even people who have never done this before have taken home the shutters and installed them. The shutters can be ordered online, and then they're available within 7 to 15 days.
Installing your shutters is easy. First of all, place your frame in front of the window.
Now place the frame in the window and adjust evenly. Then secure it with the screws supplied.
The great thing about this system is it's really easy to adjust the frame. The frame will expand up to 20 millimeters all around. Just make sure you count your turns at each adjuster.
Insert the panel and secure with hinge pins, making sure you check that the shutter opens and closes smoothly.
At this point in time, we've only put the top and bottom hinge pins in place, just to check the smooth operation of the panels opening and closing properly. If they do need adjusting, simply open the shutter panel door and adjust the frame.
Finally, secure the jamb with the remaining screws and place the tabs over the screw holes.
EasyAS shutters, the world's first adjustable plantation shutter range. Not only are they affordable, they're easy to install, and the best part, they look fantastic.